Oh, another one. And there's one cycling on the pavements. And there's another one cycling on the pavements. Bloody moron. One cycling on the pavement there. Yeah, there's one on the pavement there. Two on the pavement. And there's another one cycling on the pavement. Oh, it's another idiot cycling on the pavement. Another idiot going the wrong way up a one-way straight. Bloody moron.
Hey, can I use your phone? I've got a phone, I don't know where.
And a twat on an unregistered motorbike as well. Oh, jumping the lights!
Sorry, good.
Fucking dickhead. There's a twat on the pavement there. Another twat going the wrong way up the one-way street. And there's an idiot cycling on the pavement. And there's a couple of twats cycling on the footpath. Oh, another one cycling on the pavement. Dickhead. And there's one cycling on the pavement. Another arsehole cycling on the pavement. Another scumbag cycling on the pavement. And undertaking at a junction. What a fucking stupid thing to do. Another one cycling on the pavement. Scum. He's jumped the lights. Another cunt cycling on the pavement. Cycling on the pavement there. Jump in the lights. Oh, two going the wrong way down the one-way street there. And there's one cycling on the pavement, and there's another one cycling on the pavement. Fucking stupid cow. Oh, another one. Hope you get hit by a bus, you cunt. What a pair of wassies.